Oh my.
Generation Penny Whistle. The Penny Whistle for new generation. You join me on yet another epic MGB GT adventure. As you can hear from the background, we are currently awaiting the return of my father on a test run. So we had the fuel pump out, cleaned up the points on the fuel pump, because apparently that's a thing. Blasted air down the fuel pipes to make sure there were no gun juice, snot or whatever blocking the fuel pipes on there. There's oil there. Did a bit of a test to make sure the fuel pump were fine, and it seems to be fine on there. So then put everything back together. Did a bit of a test when it was crap. Started it up. Was stuff obviously were popping and banging and things. So I did a bit of setup. It's been for a blast round. It seems better. And then this time it just went round. It said it were a lot better than it were before. But generally it's when it's like under load, so he's just going to go up a hill close by and get some welly to see what it's like there. But it's definitely better than it was, but not 100% how it should be. It seems to have a bit where, how can I describe it? It's like it might tick over fine, and then you rev it, and it takes a while for the revs to drop down. And I'm sure that must be sort of. It can't be just a coincidence. It's got to be linked to why it's not running very well. But let's see what happens. This is what happens when you have old cars and they're sat around for a bit. So let's see what it sounds like now. We stopped on that hill there. I can hear him. He's coming. There he is. I don't know what he was stopped for. It sounds better now. even though that exhaust sounds way farty. Brakes work. It's alright?
Yeah.
Okay, good. There you go. That's the... nothing. There he is, happy toy. Conclusion there is that it's alright. Here he is coming back in the garage. So yeah, maybe we have fixed it. I'll have a word with him in a second and then I'll let you know afterwards. But yeah, that might be job done. Fingers crossed.